Right now I'm making all this a comment, so I only show my person.
So what are you coding though?
I'm coding with Python. All of this was like loops and stuff, but this is just a little person.
Oh, okay, got it.
Now press F5, save it. Yeah, you do. And then we have that loaded.
Okay, hello. Right now I am coding with Python, and we just learned about loops. So, yeah, let's see what it does. So it does like a loop like that. So 69, 138. So this number is always like divided by 2 from this number. So if you times this number by 2, you get 136.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Oh wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So what are you coding?
It's a voice game.
Oh,
So you could try.
alright. Please enter user Christine. Welcome to Dawn, a choice game that decides your fate. Please make cautious decision in order to survive. It's a day off for you since you had a low fever yesterday. You're planning on spending your day in your dorm, but decide it's way too warm. Christine, I feel like melting. There's no way I'm spending my day here. Where would you like to go? So I press a number.
Yes. 1, 2, or 3.
You were on your way as you felt someone or something staring at you. You were ripped apart before you can even react.
So in class today we're like coding a loop, so like it'll make the thing repeat like a bunch of times. So I have like a really large number, so it's gonna go from 1 to 10,000 because when Python like made it like really annoying where like it'll do it one less time than you originally planned. So instead of 10,000 times, if I put 10,000, it'll do it 19,999 times. So yeah. Now you press F5 to run it. And it takes a really long time, but it's really cool in the end.
Oh, so it just keeps going.
Yes.
Got it. I'm gonna wait till then.
Yes. It's really cool.
Oh.
Yes, it did. It changed from 0 to 1. And I'll do that now how many times? 1,001 times, so. Look.
How long do I have to wait?
Look.
Oh.
Now it changes.
Oh my god.
And
That's
the numbers,
insane.
it looks like it's gonna crash, but it's not. It's really cool.
Whoa.
And it'll create like a loop. And then if you want it to like, you have to first kill the program if you want to make it different. So then if you do it,
And when you're done, you can type done. So you could write hi. Then it prints it right under there, and then it asks you again until you type done. So you can write.
So it just keeps going, right?
Yep. So I type done.
Good job.
Oh,
So cool.
it's not working. Yep, it works. See, it didn't
Oh,
ask
there
me
you go.
again.
Okay.